we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
Snow lie.
What do you want to play today, Kate?
I don't know. Let's look in the box. Hey, Kit, what's that?
It's a compass. It tells you which way is north.
You mean we could use it to go to the North Pole?
Great idea! We can fly there with the ducks in a hot air balloon.
Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate headed straight to their beautiful balloon and thought about what they could do when they got to the North Pole.
Maybe we could build a big snowman when we get there.
Sure, that'll be fun. Here, Kate, keep the compass safe. I'll go and get the ducks.
This is so cool. It doesn't matter which way I turn. The needle keeps pointing north.
But Kate wasn't the only one fascinated by the compass.
Hey, what's that? Ah! Oh no, Kit's gonna be so angry with me. I better not tell him.
We're all here, Kate. Everybody climb on in. North we go to play in the snow.
Now what do I do?
Okay, Kate. Which way's north?
That way. No, I mean that way.
Well, which way is it? Just read the compass. Where's the compass?
There was a scary mouse, see? And he stole it from me.
A little mouse took that big compass?
No, this mouse was big. Really, really big.
We have to get that compass back, Kate. Which way did he go?
Oh, no, he didn't run off. The mouse was huge. He ate it.
Kate, you scared off the ducks. Kate, which way should we go?
I don't know, but definitely not this way.
This is terrible. No compass and no balloon. Now we'll never get to the North Pole.
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
What happened to your balloon, kitties?
We were on our way to the North Pole, but we ended up here instead.
How come?
Because Kate lost our compass and then started making up big lies.
Why did you lie?
'Cause I couldn't find it, and I didn't want Kit to be angry with me.
Well, did lying help you find it?
No. I understand. If I had just told Kit the truth, he could have helped me look for it.
Yeah, at least that way there's a chance we could have found it. Thanks, Dad.
Hey, how did you know?
I'm sorry, Kit. Let's try again. But this time, if something bad happens, I'll tell you the truth right away.
Now we know, so back we go!
Kit and Kate got ready for their balloon adventure all over again. But this time...
Hey, what's that? Oh, no. You won't scare me this time, Mr. Mouse.
Hey, what's that?
Ah! Well, Kit might get angry, but I'm going to tell him the truth this time. I'm very sorry, Kit, but I got scared by a little mouse, and I dropped the compass in the pond. Can you help me look for it?
Sure, Kate, but we have a problem. That water's too deep for us.
You mean you'll go look for it? Thanks! Yay, you found it! Thanks, ducks. I'm sure glad I told the truth this time.
Me too. All aboard! North we go to play in the snow!
And Kit, Kate, and the ducks flew straight to the North Pole, where they finally got that chance to build a great, big snow mouse.
Where will we What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
Don't be shellfish.
What do you want to play today, Kate?
Let's look in the box. Look, Kit, diving suits.
Let's be deep sea divers.
At the Great Rainbow Reef.
Yeah!
Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate jumped out of their magical box and started diving to the ocean bottom. They'd never seen anything like it before.
It's beautiful!
Hi, fish.
Kate, look! A mermaid!
Hi, Miss Mermaid. What a pretty necklace you've got.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pearls.
Where did they come from?
Right over there in the oyster beds. These pearls grow inside the oysters.
Hey, Kit, let's collect 5 pearls and make a beautiful necklace.
Yeah, for Mom.
Are the oysters nice?
They were nice to me, but just remember, the oysters love their pearls very much.
Thanks, Miss Mermaid.
Look, every oyster has a pearl. This will be easy.
Kit, they're yawning. We better ask them for their pearls before they fall asleep.
Why bother them? We'll just wait till they fall asleep and take them.
But she said they love their pearls very much.
They won't mind. They're for a beautiful necklace.
That's true. They're asleep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pearls! Hooray!
Hey! They took our pearls! Get those kitties!
Swim fast! Ah! Help!
Kate, look!
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
Well, you two kitties sure look shaken up. What happened?
I don't know. All we wanted to do was make a pearl necklace like the mermaid has. But the oysters started chasing us and trying to bite us.
Wait, you asked for their pearls and then they chased you.
Well, we didn't exactly ask.
Why not?
We didn't want to bother their nap time, so when they fell asleep, we just took them.
Well, were they glad you took their pearls and let them sleep?
Glad? Mad is more like it.
But why did they let the mermaid take their pearls?
She must have asked them first because she knows they love their pearls.
Hey, I get it. If something doesn't belong to you,
You should never take it without asking. Thanks, Mom.
Hey, how did you know?
Kit, let's try again. But this time we'll make sure to ask for permission.
instead of just taking.
Now we know, so back we go.
Kit and Kate started their adventure all over again. But this time when they reached the oysters,
Sorry, I see you're about to take a nap.
But we'd like to make a pearl necklace for our mom.
And we'd be really thankful if you could give us some of your beautiful pearls.
Sure. Thanks. Kit, it worked. 1,
2,
3.
4.
You don't want to give up your pearl, do you, little guy? It's okay. We understand.
Thanks anyway.
Doesn't this feel better, Kit?
It sure does. Come on, let's ask the next oyster. Could we please have your pearl, Mr. Oyster?
You got it.
It's huge!
and Kit and Kate strung the pearls into a beautiful necklace for Mom.
Look, Mom, 5 pearls!
Yeah, but the real pearls are you and Kit for being so nice to the oysters and to me.